Good afternoon, children. So, on that day, in the previous class, we have started discussing the question answer. Today, let us first complete that. E1. Comment on the statement, the early man began his life as forest dwellers. Now you are open page number 222. Open to page number 222. Second paragraph. Others, all of you, please mute your mic or go to some aloof place where you can attend the class properly. So here it is, the answer is E1, 222, second paragraph. Human beings began life on earth as forest dwellers. In the early stages, they were food gatherers and dependent on the forest for all their needs, food, clothing, and shelter. They gradually became food growers, clearing small patches in forest to grow their food. However, no, don't write however. However,
Morning,
you
ma'am.
can.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. They continued to depend on forest for their requirements of daily life. This is question number E1 for those who have joined late. Page number 222, second paragraph. Beings began life on earth as forest dwellers. In the early stages, they were food gatherers and depend on the forest for all their needs, food, clothing, and shelter. They gradually became food growers, clearing small patches in forest to grow their food. They continued to depend on forest for their requirement of daily life. Till here you will write in this answer. Next, E2. How are the shapes of crowns of trees and their location on earth related to each other? Page number 226. Crown of trees, second paragraph, you come. The shape of the crowns of trees has a lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located near to the equator, the noontime sun is almost directly overhead all the year. Tall trees with flat tree tops are very common in this part of the world because flat shape helps expose more of their leaves to the direct overhead sunlight. Next topic, not topic, just example of it. Up near the Arctic Circle, the sun is never directly overhead and is usually quite low in the sky. Trees in this part of the world tend to be cone-shaped like the pine trees. This helps their leaves from the top of the trees to its bottom to make the most of the available sunlight. Till here, your answer is. Then next question, question number E3. State any 5 points highlighting the importance of forest to mankind. Page number 227. Any of the 5 points you can write, first 5, or you can select any one. But the first 5 are the, you can say, important one. So, or you can select the shorter one also, first, second, then fourth, fifth, and seventh. Short one also you can select. Discuss in brief the likely consequences of deforestation. Page number 228. Likely consequences of deforestation. 228. Points are the likely consequences of deforestation are the carbon cycle, the water cycle, soil erosion, silting of water courses, lakes and dams, extinction of species and desertification. Carbon cycle, you will also add some matter in it to explain it. Forests act as a major carbon store. Carbon dioxide gas is taken up from the atmosphere by trees and plants and used for photosynthesis. When forests are cleared and the trees are either burnt or not allowed to, or you can write till here only photosynthesis, because you have to explain the other points also, because it will become longer. The answer will become longer. Then the next point, water cycle. Trees draw groundwater through their roots and release it into the atmosphere through transpiration. Then soil erosion, you will write the complete point. With the loss of a protective cover of vegetation, more soil gets lost. Then next point, silting of water courses, lakes and dams. This occurs as a result of soil erosion. Extinction of species. The extinction of animals and plants depend on forest. Till here only? No, the existence of animals and plants depend on forest. If the habitat of these species is destroyed, the number of species would also decline. For a second line, you can omit. Then desertification. The causes of desertification are complex, but deforestation is one of the contributing factors. Then next. Discuss in brief, this one we have done. How are the eucalyptus, teak tree and the neem tree important for us? Come to page number 230. Page number 230. Eucalyptus is a tall evergreen tree. There are more than 700 species of eucalyptus all over the world. Eucalyptus is mainly used as the pulp wood in the manufacture of the paper. Then after that is teak. Teak is one of the most popular tree or trees of India. It is mainly used in the making of furnitures and doors. Teak also has medicinal value. The bark is bitter, health-giving tonic, and is considered useful in fever. Neem. Neem tree is popularly known as the miracle tree. It is a useful tree in rehabilitating the waste land areas. It also has good medicinal value. It also has good medicinal value. Then come to the value-based question. Sonu was a rather self-centered boy and never cared to help others. His sister, Shweta, on the other hand, always showed empathy towards the need of the others and would go out of the way to help and guide others. Their mother advised Sonu to follow the example of his sister. She told him that all of us are interdependent on
मैम
one
ग्रुप पे
another
सेंड कर
in
दीजिएगा.
much the same way as the many biotic and abiotic components of the forest are interdependent on one another. State the values that you think Sonu needs to imbibe. What are the values he should imbibe? He should take from his sister. Bolo.
Help us.
What qualities his sister is having?
Helpful.
Helpful. Then caring also, you can say caring for. So he should imbibe, Sonu should imbibe helpfulness and caring from her sister. Name any two components of a forest and discuss their interdependence on each other. Two components batao. Forest ka.
Biotic and abiotic.
Biotic and
Name the
abiotic.
Biotic.
component का
Biotic
नाम बोलो.
and
Not
Living
biotic and
things,
abiotic.
non-living
Component
things.
बोलो और उसका interdependence
Living
बताओ.
things, non-living things.
You can say grass and grasshopper.
Herbivorous animals
Grass
are
and
dependent on grass
grasshopper.
for their
I'm
food.
telling that you name it. So interdependence, that is on the group sense. Herbivore, carnivore अगर हम बोले, so that is group sense. Biotic, abiotic बोले, that is a category for division. But here we are telling the question is to tell the component name. तो आप grass, grasshopper बोल दो. Then you can say rat and snake बोल सकते हो.
Cow and grass.
No, insect, rat and ये snake हो जाएगा. क्योंकि insect पर dependent कौन है? Rat और grains भी बोल सकते हो. You can say some name of the grains.
Deers are dependent on grass for their food.
Say clearly.
मैम इसका एग्जांपल हम डियर भी हो सकते हैं. हम डियर्स आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन ग्रास फॉर देयर फूड.
टू इंटरडिपेंडेंस बता रहे हैं. इंटरडिपेंडेंस का मतलब दोनों एक दूसरे पर डिपेंडेंट. ये बताओ.
Yes.
Ma'am, soil is dependent on plants for after decomposition they give nutrition, and soil plant is dependent on soil as they give nutrition to the plants.
That can be a good example.
उसके पास भी हम सीरीज का फोन है लगता है.
ठीक है. तो इस तरह से आप लोग इस पर थिंक करिएगा और एग्जांपल्स के बारे में. Do you have any confusion in this objective question which I gave you in the last class?
No, ma'am.
Or all have noted it? Should I repeat it or you all have noted it properly?
Yes, ma'am. Please repeat.
Ma'am, E1, please repeat.
E1 तो अभी बताए ना बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
फिर से रिपीट करना है. तो अभी हम पहले से fill in the blank से ही रिपीट कर देते हैं. Decomposers play an important role in recycling of nutrients. It is recycling. RECYCLING. Herbs are found in the forest floor layer of the forest. Forests maintain a balance between the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases. Overgrazing in forest may cause a decrease in soil fertility and increase in soil erosion. Banyan is the national tree of India. Forests depend on man for water and fertilizers. False. The plants and animals in forest are not dependent on one another. False. Raw materials needed for making paper is obtained from forest. True. Forests help in decreasing soil erosion. True. Forests play an important role in maintaining the water cycle in nature. True. The layer of forest, when intertwined branches of trees are found, is known as canopy. Decomposers help in recycling of nutrients. Third one, an increase in cutting down of trees in forest will lead to an increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in air. The tree that is thought of an immortal tree is
सबसे ज्यादा CID देता
banyan
है
tree.
और TMK
The
उसमें
tree that is often referred, but the tree that is often referred as the golden shard tree is Amalthas. Define the term food chain and food web. You can come to page number 232.
Keywords.
Do you know? Keywords, sorry. The interdependence for plants and animals on each other for food forms of food chain, and interconnection of different food chains in nature is called food. Then name the different layers of the forest: the forest floor, the understory, the canopy, the
Emergent
layer. Give the meaning of the term soil erosion. Washing away of the topmost layer of the soil. Washing away of the topmost layer of the soil is known as soil erosion.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Washing away of the topmost layer
of soil is known as soil erosion.
Of soil is known as soil erosion. Name 4 useful products that are provided to us by the forest.
Timber,
Medicine,
paper, oxygen, and timber.
Medicinal herbs.
Timber.
Gum.
Name any 4 trees that are common to the Indian subcontinent.
Banyan, eucalyptus, neem, and teak.
Ashok, banyan, and teak. Neem, ashok, banyan, and teak. Then again I am repeating E1. E1 आप लोग ध्यान से सुनो. Comment on the statement early man began his life as a forest dweller. 222 page, second paragraph. Human beings began life on earth as forest dwellers till requirements of daily life. However, you will cut. Human beings began life on earth as forest dwellers. In the early stages, they were food gatherers and dependent on forests for all their needs, food, clothing, and shelter. They gradually became food growers, clearing small patches in forest to grow their food. They continue to depend on forests for their requirement of daily life. How are the shapes of crowns of trees and the location on earth related to each other? This is page number 226. The shape of the crown of trees, second paragraph. The shape of crown of trees has a lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located nearer to the equator, the noontime sun is almost directly overhead all the year round. Tall trees with flat tree tops are very common in this part of the world because the flat shape helps expose more of their leaves to the direct overhead sunlight. Up near the Arctic Circle, the sun is never directly overhead. Complete paragraph, available sunlight. Then next one. E3 का आंसर आप लोग अगर यहाँ से नहीं लिखना चाहते हो तो you must know में भी पॉइंट्स दिया हुआ है अच्छे से शॉर्ट में, तो वहां से भी लिख सकते हो. पॉइंट नंबर 9. Forests are important because they maintain the ecological balance. They are the habitat of living organisms. They improve moisture content of the atmosphere. They are reservoirs of oxygen. They help to maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in nature. तो इसका भी point आपका short में sufficient है, लेकिन आपको सिर्फ उसमें first word add कर देना. They maintain, they are, ठीक है, इस तरह से आप लोग add करें. ये
Kumara,
भी लिख सकते हो, उधर से भी पूरा सेंटेंस में भी लिख सकते हैं, बट आई थिंक दिस इज मच मोर इजियर. पेज 233 में जो पॉइंट्स जो आप विश करते हो वही. डिस्कस इन ब्रीफ द लाइकली कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन. 228 द कार्बन साइकिल. No, don't discuss among yourself, children. Forests act as a major carbon store. Carbon dioxide gas is taken up from the atmosphere by trees and plants and used for photosynthesis. The water cycle. Trees draw groundwater up through their roots and release it into the atmosphere through transpiration. Soil erosion. With the loss of a protective cover of vegetation, more soil gets lost. Silting of water courses, lakes and dams. This occurs as a result of soil erosion. Extinction of species. The extinction of animals and plants depends on forest. And if the habitat of these species is destroyed, the number of species would also decline. Desertification. The causes of desertification are complex, but deforestation is one of the contributing factors.
Ma'am, please repeat once again in this question.
Aditi, you don't just pay attention when I am speaking.
मैम बीच में बहुत आवाज आने लग गया था.
Why you all are talking among yourselves? 228 पेज में निकालो. The carbon cycle. Forests act as a major carbon store till photosynthesis. Then water cycle. Trees draw groundwater up through their roots till transpiration. Soil erosion, complete point. Then extinction of silting of water course, lakes and dams. Complete point. Extinction of species. First sentence, the extinction of animals and plants depend on forest. And if the habitat of these species is destroyed, the number of species would also decline. Desertification, complete point. Then next one is, how are eucalyptus tree, teak tree and neem tree important? ये निकालो आप लोग पेज नंबर 230. Teak tree, eucalyptus, complete paragraph. Teak also complete paragraph. And neem.
मैम कौन सा पैराग्राफ?
Neem you write. Neem you write. Neem tree is popularly till wasteland तक और उसके बाद last line. It also has good medicinal value. Okay. Now you all are ready with your copy. Quickly you all note down the dictation words. Note करिए जल्दी से. First word.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Fodder. First word is fodder. Fodder. Agriculture. Agriculture. Interlinked. 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 Decomposers. Decomposers. Then emergent. Emergent.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Emergent. Economic. Economic. Husbandry. Husbandry. Regulating. Regulating. Reservoirs. Reservoirs. Indiscriminate. Indiscriminate. Encroachment. Encroachment.
Encroachment.
Existence. Existence. Desertification. Desertification. Immortal. Rehabilitating.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Rehabilitating. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. Corniferous. Coniferous.
मैम मैम यूकलिप्टस के पहले कौन सा स्पेलिंग था?
Rehabilitating. Worship. Worship. Scriptures. Scriptures. Decidus. Decidus. हो गया? Now quickly we will. You will check also. Fodder का बोलो. FODDER. Fodder. Agriculture.
AGRICULTURE. Agriculture.
Yes. AGRICULTURE. Interlinked.
INTERLINKED.
INTERLINKED. Decomposers.
COMPOSERS.
Yes, correct. Then next is emergent.
EMERGENT.
Yes, correct. It is correct. Then economic. 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 Husbandry.
HUSBANDRY.
Yes, HUSBANDRY. Husbandry. Yes.
Regulation.
Then regulating.
REGULATING. Regulating.
Yes, REGULATING. Regulating. Reservoirs.
RESERVIORS.
RESERVOIRS. Reservoirs. Now you have to do the correction also of these spellings. Indiscriminate. INDISTRIMINATE. Indiscriminate. Encroachment.
मेरे सामने
ENCROACHMENT.
Yes, ENCROACHMENT. Encroachment. Existence.
EXISTEION.
EXISTENCE. Desertification.
DESTRTIFICATION.
Yes, desertification. Correct. ESTRTIFICATION. Then immortal.
IMMORTIL.
TI नहीं बेटा. IMMORTAL. Rehabilitating.
REHABLITATING.
REHABLITATING. Eucalyptus.
EUCALPTUS.
Yes, correct. Coniferous.
CONIFEROUS.
Worship. SHIPPED. WORSHIPPED. Scriptures. Yes, SCRIPTURES. Scriptures. Deciduous.
DECIDUOS. OUS.
OUS. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what will be